Hello everyone, I'm Man. Welcome back to TechBlock. We're finally done moving. Just about everything from the previous apartment has now been moved over. As you walk into the office now, you're going to notice we have my main PC, we have the secondary rig, we have an RX Vega 64. This will be going into my main PC for the final PC build video for the Cooler Master Phantom Gaming type build. So expect that video coming soon. As for all the other stuff here, we have the Nanoleaf Aurora light panels, a total of 15 of them of course, with the whole rhythm module thingy. But where exactly I'm going to be mounting these Nanoleaf Aurora light panels is very much a mystery at the moment. Like, I kind of want to mount them up here as you kind of walk in. I think that'll look pretty darn cool. Maybe like kind of in the corner here or something, you know, maybe there. Or maybe we could mount the Nanoleaf Aurora light panels up here, or maybe on this wall. Hell, maybe in this corner over here. Maybe on this wall. I really don't know where I'm going to be mounting these Nanoleaf Aurora light panels. I'm low-key considering possibly picking up another set of maybe 12 or 15 of them and putting, I don't know, maybe one in the corner like over here, and then another one maybe like kind of as you enter. Dude, I don't even know anymore. Or maybe we could even put it like in this kind of wardrobe area a bit. I really don't know. So maybe you guys can help me out in the comment section down below. So this will be like option A. We'll have option B, C, and then D, okay? So there should be a card popping up right now where you can vote where we're gonna be putting these Nanoleaf Aurora light panels up. And in the next video, we're gonna look at the poll results and kind of decide where exactly we're gonna be putting these Nanoleaf Aurora light panels. Because at the moment, I really don't know. Like originally, I kind of planned to put the YouTube play button over here, like as you kind of walk in. But now I'm kind of thinking we should probably put it like over there. There's so many like difficult decisions that are gonna have to be made here. You know, where we're hanging stuff up and you know, where we're putting the desks, the setups, the bean bags, all that stuff, man. Because as you can probably see, we've moved over, you know, this desk over here, the sit stand desk from FlexiSpot. They sponsored like a whole video a while ago and sent me like a freaking badass sit stand desk. It's like super high quality, way better than IKEA Linmon, as this is actual wood that is like, you know, real solid. It ain't freaking cardboard or anything with freaking laminate. So this is a good desk, very high quality. However, where exactly I'm going to be putting this desk? I don't really know. Like it kind of looks decent here, but we have a gigantic beanbag and I kind of wanted the beanbag to be like over in that corner. And you may be wondering, where exactly is the beanbag anyway? Because it sure as hell isn't in the office right now. The beanbag, I don't know if you can see that at all, but it's currently in my bedroom there. So we're going to be moving the beanbag back into this office very soon. But first, I've got to decide where I'm putting that freaking desk. Like it's either we put the desk over in that corner and put the beanbag over in that corner, or the other way around. So you know, the desk there and the beanbag where it was. As for the main setup though, this is currently how it's looking like. I'll kind of make a little bit of a more in-depth video soon, but this is how it currently looks like. The wallpapers from Axiom Design. I'll leave a social media down below in the description for you in case you want to go check out some of its dope-ass wallpapers. And you can use them in your own setup as well, of course. We have the ultrawide monitor from BenQ, the Acer Predator laptop, just a keyboard, mouse, stream deck, headset stand, headset. Really not too much going on at the moment. The cable management looks wonderful on top, but if you look below the desk, oh dear God, it's a mess down there. The power strips on the floor, but this entire setup is very much temporary as we've just moved over our main rig from Cooler Master, so you can put that on the desk here. And by the way, the side panel will be facing this way instead of it being over there. So that's going to be interesting, a little bit of a change. And then when we do the full Razer PC build in the PC 011 Dynamic Razer Edition PC case, that, oh my lord, let me turn the light on. Boom. You can maybe just see that PC case over there, but we're going to be doing a PC build in that one real soon. And then that's of course going to be sitting there with all its RGB glory and stuff. Is gonna be dope, man. Anyway, getting back to like all the other stuff that we moved over, we have the Synology disk station. This is the DS1618 Plus. It's a 6-bay NAS. I think I've got 16 terabytes in there, plus a 0.5 terabyte SATA 3 SSD from Samsung. So that's all in there. And then over here we have a few Razer products, not too many. We have the Razer Firefly plus Mamba Hyperflux Edition combo. We have 2 of those. So one of them is of course in my setup now, and then the other ones are going to be going onto that setup. And then we casually have 4 keyboards here, beginning with the Razer Black Widow Chroma V2 green switches. We have the Razer Huntsman Elite, Razer purple switches, Razer Black Widow Elite green switches, and then the Razer Black Widow 2019. Once again, Razer green switches. So a few keyboards here. Moving on, we have 2 RTX 2060s. One of them has already been installed in the secondary PC, and then the other one, I don't really know what the hell I'm going to be using that for. Maybe a third PC build? I don't know. We have 2 headsets here as well, the Razer Nari Ultimate that has already been unboxed and put in my setup over there. And then finally we have the Razer Thresher Ultimate wireless headset for Xbox One and Windows 10. And then over here on the floor we have a wonderful setup. We have 2 Asus VN 24/7 HA monitors, 24-inch VA panels, 60 Hz, 1080p, nothing fancy, but those 2 are still in bubble wrap as they've just kind of gotten here. Then we have a 28-inch 4K BenQ monitor over there. A lot of the other boxes are currently in this storage area. Oh, and by the way, the soft boxes are here as well. They're not yet plugged in, so I need to get like some extension cables set up for them. Then we can plug them in, set them up with a smart plug, of course. So I'll probably make a dedicated video all about that stuff. But this storage room that we're currently in, it's a little bit of a mess, just a little bit of a mess. We have many cables. We have bags and Tesco bags and backpacks and stuff of just cables. A lot of cables. We have a lot of boxes up here as well. Things aren't really yet organized. It's just chaos in here at the moment, but this will be organized maybe in the next month or 2. Hopefully. I need to get like some organizers and stuff and some separators for all these shelves so that we can actually make things look a lot more normal, because at the moment this looks crazy, especially the horrific mess on the floor here. But one thing that is kind of looking organized and quite good is our IKEA Alex drawer that we took from the previous apartment. So the IKEA Alex drawer is currently over in this corner, and surprisingly enough it perfectly fit like next to the shelf right here. So that's cool. And I'm currently using it as like a charging station, I suppose. So we have this whole thing going on. Oh, and by the way, shout out to my friend Clyde Ass for helping me move just about everything over to the new apartment. So I'll leave his Instagram down below in the description in case you want to give him a follow. Right, I'm quickly going to move all these boxes into the storage area so that we have a bit of space here. I'll probably move that desk in this corner, see how that looks like. And if we're happy about it, then we'll move the beanbag back into this room as well. Boom. I don't know how I feel about this. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below of all of this. Personally, I'm kind of tempted to put the beanbag back in this corner and put the setup over in that corner, either facing the window or facing the wall, because this right here I feel like doesn't quite look right. The beanbag is just kind of too big to be in that corner there, so I feel like moving the setup in that corner instead might be a better idea. Apart from that though, all the stuff featured in today's video down below in the description for you in case you want to go pick it up yourself on Amazon or wherever the hell I'm going to link it to. But thanks for watching, hope to see you in another video soon where I read a lot of your comments and kind of decide on what we're going to be doing in that office room.